Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about quantum computing. And before I get into the video though, make sure that you help us out with getting 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell, make sure you like the video, so then by the time we actually get up there, we get the 1,000 subscribers and more, we can do other videos upon technology, probably do like some more giveaway or do some giveaways for you guys so you can get some technology that we be talking about. And that's all I really had to say. But for most of y'all, I know y'all want to get into the video about quantum computing, so let's talk about it right now. So what is quantum computing and how does it work though? How does it work? Quantum computers perform calculation based on the probability of an object state before it is measured, instead of just ones and zeros. So this sounds like it does more of the expert calculation. It doesn't do that ones and zeros, okay? Which means they have the potential to process exponentially more data compared to classical computers. So these computers does a whole bunch of other things that your computers can't even do. It's technically like your computer is like your computer is not smart, these computers are like the nerds. These computers are the nerds and your computer is just a jock, So sounds like quantum computer is going to be I say this all the time, but quantum computers or for most technology, that they're going to be a big part of the future. But if you think about it, quantum computing, it sounds like it can help with the problems that we have as right now and help us find the answer to them. Now, what's the use of quantum computing? I don't even know what the use is, but let me tell you what the use is though. The use of quantum computers is any device for computation that makes direct use, right? And such as superpositions and entanglements to perform operation on data. So technically it use a quantum mechanical, right? And it's such as it uses superpositions and entanglement. Yeah, all that is some smart terms that I don't even know how to say. So let's go to the next one. What is quantum computing, right? In simple terms, for the people who are not actually in the actual career, the people who barely even know it, the people who is just okay, I just found this video and I really just did not know what to watch. But what is quantum computing? Well, let me tell you. Quantum computing in simple terms is an area of computing focused on developing computer technology based off the principles of quantum theory. Explains that the behavior of energy and material on the atom level, okay? Just in case you all that atomic and subatomic levels is not your thing. Atomic or atom level, okay? Now, classic computers, that means your laptop, your PC, all the computers that are not quantum computers, right? We use today encode information in bits that takes the value of 1 and zeros. But these quantum computing or these quantum computers, they don't do that. They're just smart. They smart overall. They don't need that. It's oh yeah, I got big brains. I have the brains and I don't need this. I don't need no ones and zeros. I can take my own time and do my computing with the actual fundamentals that I need. That's what quantum computing is technically. Now, do quantum computers exist? Let's see. As of right now, a lot of people are saying, does they exist? And yes, they do exist. They do exist. It's just not for ordinary cuts or ordinary people. It's for them top people. Top people. Meaning you got to be a government or somebody like that. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just kidding. But look, the quantum computers do exist, and they're just different from ordinary computers that you have right now. And these quantum computers, you're not you just got to be, in a position to where you need to use one. But most of the computers that we use are ordinary computers or just classical computers. They are that uses like one or zeros, to encode information. But quantum computers don't use ones and zeros like that. They use other things. They use quantum theory and use that stuff for its computing. They technically do the advanced calculation, and that's what it is. But for people to think if quantum computers is real, it in my opinion, I say it is. I really don't know if it's real. Okay. I really don't know if it's real, but the thing is, people are saying that it does exist. So, it is, and I guess so. So, based off of that, I'm gonna say it does exist, but don't actually take my word for it. Just take your time to actually go find out the information. But remember this, though. Remember this: real or not, quantum computers actually can help us out in a lot of problems that we have as right now. No matter what it is and what quantum computing does, it can help tackle a lot of problems that we have that we're not able to solve, fast, or we can't solve like instantly, and they can help us be able to grow as a human. They can help us grow to be able to tackle the problems that we do not understand. And that's what quantum computing is. It helps way more than the computers that you probably do have, the ordinary computers that you do have from Dell or Intel and stuff. So that's all I got for you guys. Make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that notification button, because that notification button is sitting right there with that subscribe button. And that subscribe button says subscribe to me. And if you don't subscribe to me, all these technology videos, and you're going to waste your time. So you better subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell. And I see it in the next one. Later.